Alright guys, I know I'm sorry I didn't make the other one because I get the days I don't feel like do other videos, so please forgive me. I am gonna cut up cupcakes, because you know me, I love cupcakes. Cupcakes are so good. Yeah, I complete this already. Yeah, don't mind the pin smeared. I like how it turns out. I did it on the 18th. I like how it turns out. Alright, now I'm gonna do I cut the cupcakes. I'm gonna start that side first. So let's do the blue. Hey guys, I know it's off topic. What do you think if I try do like other try haul, like adult stuff? Like, I don't know. I know I would get trouble with posting on YouTube, but I could like okay, like if I do like try on like dresses and stuff, like I try on the black one. I feel so sexy in that, I swear. Like if me and my boyfriend Nate are on a date together, I definitely wear that. I don't know what else I'm gonna go with it. I don't want wear heels. I tell you that much. Because disco hair, though I know how I'm not pretty good with heels. So only I could wear like witch's booties, like it's a thick heel just like that. It's just like a shoes. I could wear that because I still have it. And hey guys, what do you think? I want to do a photo shoot. Like I don't want to say it on here because the kids could, yeah. I might could say it's gonna be a adult scene photo shoot. Like that's all I'm gonna say. And yes, I take a shower because that make me feel better and keep myself awake. Hmm. Nothing. Yeah, and sadly I have bad news for you guys. And that's why I wasn't myself on last. I got hair on me. I swear I had hair on me because, guys, my hair's so long now. My hair's so thick. So, what am I about to say? Oh, and that's why I fell down yesterday because, sadly, if you don't hear Diesel, he had to put him down last Friday. So that's why I fell down a little bit today. Not that much. Now I only got like one dog left. I'm not me to like fell downish. So yeah. This is what you get when your hair's so long. But this is what your hair will do. Man, my hair needs cut again. Like the bangs and stuff. So yeah, guys, I'm off Wednesday, Thursday because Thanksgiving. That means I have time talking to my boyfriend, Nate, because I love him. He knows I love him. He's just, I don't know. He's just a very special to me, you know. And then the next, not this Monday, the next on the 29th, I had to go work because the Black Friday, after Black Friday shopping or something like that. But it's a good thing is I get off like 1:30. Alright. Let's do with the icing with the coral leaf. Yeah, I know. I need to get new pencils if my pencils are like short. Me and my boyfriend on a date. I'm not sure. I had to tell him. I had to ask him. Sorry. I mix up my words sometimes, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, I had to go back to sleep. Jeez, man. It's raining out. It's ugly. I feel like I don't want to do nothing today. I'm like, ugh. So, that means on Thanksgiving I had to help my mom cook and then text my boyfriend like usual. Nothing. You see, when I feel down, I'm trying like keep myself happy. I keep thinking about my boyfriend and then trying not feel like, like feel emptiness. I know it's been a while you see me with makeup, huh? It is. Like I said, my boyfriend don't mind I wear makeup without it. 'Cause he's that type of man, he don't care. It depends when I feel like with makeup. If not, I'm just like, nah. I get those days I just like, nah, I just don't feel like it. You know what I mean? I just like, nah. Sorry, that's my phone. Right, let me finish this and then. Alright, this is one so far. Hold on, guys. I will see you my fourth one, so I see you then.